How to download DHgate app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of search. At the very top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in the app name DHgate and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of get or install. You have to click on that option. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. DHgate app provides one-stop solution for your online purchasing, from international logistics and payment to internet finance and customer services. Once completion of this download process, you can sign up for your account and then use it. So this way you can easily download DHgate app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.